where do people get in trouble? Where are the different phases of the PPP loan process that are subject to running into trouble with the feds, as I will broadly refer to them?
Yeah, so there's a couple different loans. There's the PPP loan and then there's the EIDL loan. And the main difference between those two is with the PPP, you can have that loan entirely forgiven. You don't have to pay it back. And then with the EIDL, you pay it back, but it's over a long period of time at a very low interest rate. So I just want to clear that up at the beginning. Now, at the time that you can get in trouble, the easiest way is just the application itself. Anything false in the application can give rise to either a criminal complaint or an indictment or maybe a false claims act. And then at the time of the forgiveness application, that's the second time that you can get dinged if you made a false statement in the application. There's a 5-year statute of limitations for any type of case that can come out of a fraudulent application. So the 5-year statute would restart at the time of a subsequent filing, like a forgiveness application. And then you got to think, then there's the second draw that came out, I think maybe about 4 or 5 months ago or so. And that gives rise to another opportunity for people to file a fictitious application, or a false application, I should say, either providing an incorrect number of employees, creating a fictitious corporation that doesn't really exist other than on paper for the purpose of receiving a loan. And then the lastly is just misusing the money, not using it for the purpose that it was intended.